Lily from Lonsdor. Now we are in Thailand, and beside me is the 2023 Toyota Yaris. Now it's in Okilos. So let me show you how to use the Lonsdor K518 Pro to add key for this car. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, now we connect this cable to the car. Choose Immo and Remote. Choose Toyota. Select from vehicle and select Yaris. After 2021, smart key. Okay, now we choose all smart key laws. Please follow the noted and click OK. Hold new key to the start button. Okay, you will hear 3 times the car will ring, and it means the program is completed. Now we test the remote function and smart function for this new key. Okay, now we test the remote function. First, lock, unlock. Okay, remote function is normal. Now we test the smart function. Start button. Okay, car start is normal. It means the remote function and the smart function is successful. Okay, so use Lonsdor K518 Pro programming Toyota Yaris 2023 all kilos is successful. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time.